Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, August 28th, the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington. You should try to catch some of the speeches today. Obama is going to speak, and other people are going to speak too from the Lincoln Memorial. Also, last night you should have watched the UES special on the march. It was terrific. Okay, so every Daily Jing, Monday through Fridays, except for the days that we're in class, I come to the D2L page here and we go and we look at the schedule. So the schedule for this week, Monday I wanted you to read the syllabus and go through the schedule here and start the reflective essay and the view and do number 1. I've changed the schedule a little bit so that today we're going to start the discussion on Dodd, and the reflective essay, like I told you in class, should be due today or finally due by tomorrow, Thursday at 6 a.m. And the view and do number 1 is due posted into the Dropbox in D2L on Friday, or finally by the next class day, which happens to be Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday at 6 a.m. So the assignments are always due on a particular day, but finally due the next class day, or the next business day. Let's put it that way. Okay. So let's go in and look at the discussions for a minute, or the view and do's. Yeah, let's do the view and do's first. So you find the view and do assignments here. Click on this, and here's the first one on audience. Okay, so click on that, and the assignment comes up. There's a little jing here where I talk about the assignment, and then you read through these, look at these questions, and then do this. Look at the section in the e-text on audience, pages 3 and 4, and then answer the questions I have copied here from that section, and write at least one page, 300 words, and post your document to D2L Dropbox. Let me show you how you do that. So you go here to assessment and you hit Dropbox, and then view and do number 1. Okay, so you're in the Dropbox area where you need to submit your paper. So you go to add a file, and you browse to your desktop, find your file, click on it, open it, and it appears here. And then you go back to this page. Your document will be listed here, and you hit submit. Okay, please try to give me a Word document or an RTF document. Don't give me an excuse me, an Apple document. Okay. Okay, so here we are back at the schedule. Let's look at the discussion for Dodd. So click on this, and it goes to the reading page, which is also linked off here, the course reading page. Okay, so I put some discussion instructions at the bottom of the page here. You just click on this bookmark and you go to the bottom of the page and read through what you're supposed to do for these discussions. Okay, and I might elaborate on these a little bit more, because what I want you to do is use the discussion feed, the comment feature in Google Docs to do this, but this is where you will find the discussion questions, which I'll be putting up probably tomorrow. And I'll elaborate on this too a little bit more, because I want to talk to you about how you do the commenting into Google Docs. But in the meantime, read My Sister and Me on Grandma's Lap. You don't necessarily have to start commenting in it because these discussions are ongoing. Okay, so be patient with me in establishing these discussions, but the thing that you should do here is to read through Dodd. Okay, and then Friday I'll have more substantial instructions on how to do the discussion. Okay, so on Friday the View and Do 1.1 is due, or finally due, by 6 a.m. on Wednesday next week because of the holiday. So it's a next class day. All right. So that's about it. You know, we're going slow here. You should look at the assignment sheet for the paper, and we'll talk about that on Friday a little bit more in the Daily Jane. Okay. So, you know, make sure that you've done the reflective essay, and that I have your Gmail address, and that you've done the survey. Okay. And then I'll be elaborating on the discussion here, and then over the weekend I'll be posting a page to you called the student course document page for this particular paper. Okay, I'm going to get that together over the weekend, and I'll post that to you. I'll share it with you. Okay, so the question of the day is, where can I find the discussions? You can find the discussions here to this link on Wednesday's page, which is today, August 28th. Okay, thank you.